Guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, September the 20th, 2022. It's today Princess Day. Yes, the King's speech will hold this today. Yes. Um. Well, I've already solved one puzzle in additional, the Three Stars Sudoku. Three puzzles are left. The Four Stars Sudoku, the Tectonic, and the Binary. But let me continue now with the Four Stars Sudoku, and this will be number 501. Sorry, 5204. 5204. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has one less than the previous Sudoku. 24 printed digits. And it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of hidden numbers or a lot of pairs, then you will need more time to solve. But for Four Stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Well, we will see if this is really a 4 star, so let's get started. Let me see, let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 threes, 4 fours. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 fives. 1, 2, 3 sixes. 1 7, 3 eights, and 2 nines. 1, 2, 4 eights. Correction, 4 eights. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Alright, so the 4s, the 5s, and 8s are a majority. Let me see if I can start with a 5. No. Well, maybe 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this first row. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. Well, how about the 4 then? 4 in the third row. 4 in the third row. 4 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. Well, 4, 4. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second column. No 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay. Alright. Now I can continue with the 5 now. 5 in the last column. 5 in that column. So the column between. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, 5. 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. How about the 8? The 8, yes. Let me see. The 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. We have an 8 in that column, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We have an 8 in the third column, no 8 there. Here, an 8 in the first column, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in this row should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, oh, we already have an 8 here. Haha, 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle row, middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8 are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Yeah. Yeah. Still cannot continue with the 5. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 and a 3 in this middle column, so no 1 and 3 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So what are the other numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Alright. 6. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 6 and 7. Yeah. Come on. 2. Yeah. 6. 3. Need to think. 179. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third row. No 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6. Okay. 6 cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. Then. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. That means that we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 3. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Alright. Okay. 3. Yeah. We have a 9 in this column. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, is missing 2 in this column, 2 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright, 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 2, 2. Wow. Then 9, 1, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, and 9. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, and then 9. We have a 7 in the last row. So no 7 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are left. 1 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes. 1 and the 9. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see here 9 in the second column. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in the first row. No 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. Well, need to wait. Let me mark those two boxes. So 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then let me see. How about 1 and 2. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in the third column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Right. I want a 2. 1, 2, 3, 7, and 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers in the third column are the 1 and 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this row, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 7. All right. Okay, 7. Then 2, 6. Then let me see. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. And the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier. The 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes. And there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. Now we have a 1 here in the last column. So I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the last column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9. There it goes there. Then. Let me see, 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Then 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in first row, 1 in second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 11 a minute and the 9, so the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 7 goes there. 3 and a 7, we have a 3 now in the second row, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7, we have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5, no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Cannot believe this. Yeah, I need 24 minutes and this one 60 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. Yes. And I've told you earlier, sometimes you have a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Well, although I have 1 digit less printed digits, 1 printed digit less than the previous Sudoku. I'm faster than the previous Sudoku. So, although it has 4 stars. Well, thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and the tectonic are left. So see you later. Bye bye for now.